Good morning, students. I am N. Srinivas Goud, lecturer in mathematics, GDC, Kalakurti. Okay, today is discuss about homogeneous differential equations. Homogeneous differential equations. Define homogeneous differential equation and discuss the procedure to obtain its solution. Okay, solution. Definition of homogeneous equation. A differential equation of the form dy by dx equal to f1 of x comma y by f2 of x comma y is said to be homogeneous if the functions f1 of x comma y and f2 of x comma y are the homogeneous expressions in x and y with same degree. Same degree. Okay. Example, dy by dx equal to 2x square minus y square by x square minus y square. Okay, solution of homogeneous differential equation. Generally, homogeneous differential equations are solved by transforming the y terms of the equation. These transformations also change the okay. This transformation also changes the entire equation into variable separable form, which simply simplifies the solving procedure. The solution is obtained by retransforming the solution into its original variable. Example, let a homogeneous differential equation of first order and first degree be expressed as dy by dx equal to f1 of x comma y by f2 of x comma y. Put equation 1. The variable y in equation 1 can be transformed as y equal to vx. Put equation 2. Differentiating equation 2 with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to, this goes to UV method, Vx. V, same you write, and x differentiate 1 plus x into V differentiate dV by dx. Therefore, dy by dx equal to V plus x dV by dx. Put equation 3. Substituting equation 3 in equation 1, V plus x dV by dx equal to f1 of x comma y by f2 of x comma y. As y is transformed in terms of v, v plus x dV by dx equal to f of v, f of v. Okay, is implies x into dV by dx equal to x into dV by dx equal to f of v minus v. Is implies dV by f of v minus v equal to dx by x. Hence, a variable separable form of differential equations is obtained, which can be solved by integrations. Which can be solved by integration. Okay, this procedure is over. Okay, next we discuss about some problems by homogeneous differential equations. Okay, solve first problem. Solve dy by dx equal to x minus y by x plus y. X minus y by x plus y. Okay, solve dy by dx equal to x minus y by x plus y. Solution, The given differential equation is dy by dx equal to x minus y by x plus 5. Equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation of order 1. Okay, let y equal to vx. Put equation 2. Differentiating equation 2 with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to, y mean dy by dx equal to vx uv method. V same you write x differentiate 1 v into 1 v plus x same you write and differentiate v dv by dx. Is implies dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Put equation 3. Okay, substituting the corresponding values in equation 1, okay, is implies v plus x dv by dx equal to x minus vx by x plus vx. Is implies v plus x dv by dx equal to x into x common I will take 1 minus v by x also common 1 plus v. X get cancelled, numerator denominator. Is implies v plus okay, is implies v plus x dv by dx equal to 1 minus v by 1 plus v. Is implies against x into dv by dx equal to 1 minus v by 1 plus v minus v. Here plus v, that side minus v. Okay, LCM of 1 plus v. Okay, x dv by dx equal to 1 minus v into 1 plus v by 1 plus v. Is implies x dv by dx equal to 1 minus 2v minus v square by 1 plus v. Is implies 1 plus v by 1 minus 2v minus v square into dv equal to dx by x by using method of variable separable method. Here integrating on both sides, integrating of 1 plus v by 1 minus 2v minus v square into dv equal to integrating of dx by x. Is implies minus 1 by 2 into integrating of minus 2 into 1 plus v by 1 minus 2v minus v square into dv equal to integrating of dx by x mean log x plus log c. Is implies minus 1 by 2 integrating of minus 2 minus 2v by 1 minus 2v minus v square into dv equal to log x plus log c. Is implies minus 1 by 2 log of 1 minus 2v minus v square equal to log x plus log c. Is implies minus 1 by 2 log of 1 minus 2v minus v square equal to log a plus log b mean log ab same as log cx. Log cx. Okay, log 1 minus 2v minus v square equal to minus 2 into log cx. Is implies log 1 minus v mean y by x. Substituting above equation, okay, log of 1 minus 2y by x minus y square by x square equal to log of cx power minus 2, cx power minus 2. Okay, is implies log of x square minus 2xy by minus y square by x square equal to log of cx power minus 2. Okay, both side cancellation logarithm x square minus 2xy minus y square by x square equal to 1 by c square x square. X square get cancelled, denominator both side. X square minus 2xy minus y square equal to 1 by c square equal to capital A. Here c square means constant. Therefore, x square minus 2xy minus y square equal to capital A is the required solution for the given differential equation. Given differential equation. Okay, first sum is over. Okay, next we discuss about another problem. This problem is very important and easy. We do. Okay, solve x square plus y square into dy equal to 2xy dx. 2xy dx. Okay, solution given differential equation is x square plus y square into dy equal to 2xy dx is implies dy by dx equal to 2xy by x square plus y square. Put to equation 1. Equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation of degree 2. Equation 1 is the homogeneous differential equation of degree 2. Let y equal to Vx. Y equal to Vx. Put equation 2. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x, dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Put equation 3. Substituting the corresponding values in equation 1, we get v plus x dv by dx equal to 2x into y mean vx by x square plus y square mean vx whole square is implies v plus x dv by dx equal to 2v x into x square by x square vx whole square mean v square x square. Okay, v plus x dv by dx equal to 2y x square by x square into 1 plus v square is implies to v plus x dv by dx equal to, here denominator numerator x square get cancelled, 2v by 1 plus v square. 2v by 1 plus v square. Okay, is implies this side is plus v, left side is there, moving right side minus v, is implies x dv by dx equal to 2v by 1 plus v square minus v, is implies again x dv by dx equal to LCM is 1 plus v square, 2v minus v into 1 plus v square by 1 plus v square. X dy by dx equal to 2v minus v cube by 1 plus v square. This implies again x dv by dx equal to v minus v cube by 1 plus v square. Okay, I will use method of variable separable method. 1 plus v square by v minus v cube into dv equal to dx by x, dx by x. Okay, denominator I will take common v, is implies 1 plus v square by v into 1 minus v square into dv equal to dx by x. Okay, both side differentiate is there. I will take integrating on both sides. We get integrating of 1 plus v square by v into 1 minus v square dv equal to integrating of dx by x. Consider, first we do LHS 1 plus v square by v into 1 minus v square. Okay, next this goes to method is using fractions method. Partial, okay, 1 plus v square by v into 1 minus v square equal to a by v plus b by 1 plus v plus c by 1 minus v. Is implies 1 plus v square, both side denominator cancel, v into 1 minus v square is cancel, numerator's term is equal both sides. 1 plus v square equal to a into 1 plus v into 1 minus v plus b into v into 1 minus v plus c into v into 1 minus 1 plus v. Is implies 1 plus v square equal to a into 1 minus v square plus b into v minus v square plus c into v plus v square. Comparing coefficients on constants v and v square on both sides. Comparing coefficients on constants v and v square on both sides. Therefore, a is 1, b plus c equal to 0, minus a minus b plus c equal to 1, minus b plus c equal to 2. Okay. Solving equation 3 and 4, we get here 3 is b plus c equal to 0, 4 is minus b plus c equal to 2. Adding 3 and 4, we get minus b plus b cancel, c plus c, 2c equal to 2 plus 0, 2. 2c equal to 2, 2 get cancelled, c equal to 1. Therefore, b plus c equal to 0 na? b plus c equal to 0, c is 1, b equal to minus c is implies to minus 1. Therefore, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to 1. Substituting the corresponding values in equation 2, we get integrating of 1 by v minus 1 by 1 plus v plus 1 by 1 minus v dv equal to integrating of dx by x, integrating of dx by x. Okay, is implies integrating of a plus b plus c mean integrating of a plus integrating of b plus integrating of c, same as integrating of 1 by v dv minus integrating of dv by 1 plus v minus integrating of dv by 1 minus v equal to integrating of dx by x is implies integrating of dv by v mean log v minus integrating of dv by 1 plus v mean log of 1 plus v plus integrating of dv by 1 minus v log of 1 minus v equal to integrating of dx by x mean log x plus log c constant. Okay, is implies log v minus log of 1 plus v plus log of 1 minus v equal to log cx mean log a plus log b equal to log ab. Okay, same this formula using log v minus log 1 minus v square. Log 1 minus v square equal to log cx is implies log v by 1 minus v square equal to log cx. Here logarithm same you write or cancellation. Okay, v mean y equal to vx na, v equal to y by x by 1 minus y square by x square equal to log of cx. Log of here LCM is x square y by x into x square minus y square equal to log cx is implies log of xy by x square get cancelled, xy by x square minus y square equal to log of cx. Both sides logarithm cancel, xy by x square minus y square equal to xc is implies both side x is term cancel, left hand side and right hand side numerators is implies y by x square minus y square equal to c. Therefore, y equal to c into x square minus y square is the required solution for the given differential equation. Okay, this problem is okay. Students, we discuss another problem. The question is solve 1 plus e power x by y into dx plus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y into dy equal to 0. This problem is very important. Okay, we do careful. Solution given differential equation is 1 plus e power x by y dx plus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy equal to 0. Put equation 1. 1 plus e power x by y dx equal to minus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy is implies dx by dy equal to e power x by y into x by y minus 1 by e power x by y plus 1. Put equation 1. Equation 1 is the form of dx by dy equal to f of x by y. Let x by y equal to v is implies x equal to vy. Differentiate on both sides with respect to y. Dx by dy equal to v plus y into dv by dy. Substituting the corresponding values in equation 1, we get v plus y into dv by dy equal to e power v into v minus 1 by e power v plus 1 is implies y into dv by dy equal to e power v into v minus 1 by e power v plus 1 minus v is implies y into dv by dy equal to e power v into v minus e power v minus v into e power x minus v by e power v plus 1. Okay. Here e power v, e power x v into minus e power x into v cancel. Okay. Minus of e power v plus v by e power v plus 1. Integrating on both sides and separable method, variable method using integrating of e power v plus 1 by e power v plus v into dv equal to minus integrating of dv by dy by y is implies, you know one formula, integrating of f dash of x by f of x mean log of f of x is implies log of e power v plus v equal to minus log y plus log c is implies log e power v plus v plus minus log y mean plus log y equal to log c is implies both side logarithm cancel y into e power v plus v equal to c. We know v mean x by y, we substitute y into e power x by y plus x by y equal to c. Okay, I will take LCM y into y e power x y y plus x by y equal to c, y get cancelled. Therefore, y into e power x by y e plus x equal to c is the required solution for the given differential equation. Next, another problem. Solve x dy minus y dx equal to under root of x square plus y square into dx. Okay, solution. Given differential equation is x dy minus y dx equal to under root of x square plus y square dx is implies x dy equal to under root of x square plus y square dx plus y dx. I will take common dx. Okay, x dy equal to dx into under root of x square plus y square plus y is implies dy by dx equal to under root of x square plus y square plus y by x. Put equation 1. Equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation of the degree 1. Let y equal to Vx, y equal to Vx, dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Substituting the corresponding values in equation 1, we get v plus x dv by dx equal to under root of x square plus v square x square plus vx by x is implies v plus x dv by dx equal to under root of x square into 1 plus v square plus vx by x is implies a plus x dv by dx equal to under root of x square mean x into under root of 1 plus y square plus vx by x. Okay, I will take common x, v plus x dv by dx equal to x into under root of 1 plus v square plus v by x, x get cancelled. Therefore, v plus x dv by dx equal to under root of 1 plus v square plus v. Okay, v get cancelled both side. X dv by dx equal to under root of 1 plus v square. using method of variable separable. Okay, dv by dx, dv by under root of 1 plus v square equal to dx by x. Integrating on both sides, integrating up dv by under root of 1 plus v square equal to integrating up dx by x is implies log of v plus under root of 1 plus v square by v square plus 1 by 1 equal to log x plus log c is implies log of v plus under root of v square plus 1 equal to log cx. Logarithm cancellation on both sides, v plus under root of v square plus 1 equal to xc. Therefore, y by x, v mean y by x plus under root of y square plus y square by x square plus 1 equal to xc. Okay. Therefore, y plus under root of y square plus x square by x equal to xc. Therefore, y plus root x square plus y square equal to x square c is a required solution for the given differential equation. Okay. Next problem, solve x sin y by x into dy by dx equal to y sin y by x minus x. Okay, put equation. Okay, first of all, solution. Given differential equation is x into y by x into dy by dx equal to y into sin y by x minus x. Put equation 1. Dividing on both sides with x, sin y by x into dy by dx equal to y by x sin y by x minus 1. Equation 1 is the form of dy by dx equal to f of y by x. Let y equal to vx, v equal to y by x. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Substituting the corresponding values in the equation 1, we get sin v into v plus x dv by dx equal to v sin v minus 1. V plus x dv by dx equal to v sin v by sin v minus 1 by sin v. Sin v get cancelled. V plus x dv by dx equal to v minus 1 by sin v. Okay, here v get cancelled. Sin v dv equal to minus 1 by x dx using method variable separable. Integrating on both sides, integrating on both sides, integrating of sin v dv equal to minus integrating of dx by x. Integrating of sin v mean minus cos v equal to integrating of dx by x mean log x minus log x plus log c is implies minus cos v mean y by x, substituting minus cos y by x equal to minus of log x minus log c. Okay, both side minus cancel. Here log c, log x minus log c, log a minus log b mean log a by b, same as, or here minus log c mean k here log x plus log k, log y by x equal to log x plus log k. Okay, next continue step, log here cos of y by x equal to log xk. You know logarithm method, logarithm definition, log x base e equal to a is implies to x equal to e power a, same as xk equal to e power cos of y by x, xk equal to e power cos of y by x. Therefore, the solution is xk equal to e power cos of y by x is the required solution of the given differential equation. Okay, this type of all homogeneous equations with respect to y and with respect to x we do carefully. Okay, this class is over.